Smart lock installation tutorial. Front lock, rear lock, front lock rubber pad, rear lock rubber pad, lock body fixing screw, key, lock cylinder, square column, battery, so annoyed, pull screw, rear lock fixing screw, card. Installation front lock pad. After installation, lock rubber pad. Install front lock sleeve. Tighten with pliers. Open the rear lock battery cover. Lock square column after installation. Pay attention that the holes in the square column are aligned with the small holes in the fine column. Insert opening pin. Fix square column. Be careful to fold the opening with pliers. And turn the bar. Make sure that the folded opening pin will not get stuck. Install the lock body into the door. Lock tongue up. Screw on the fixing screw. Install the lock cylinder. The keyhole faces out the door. Screw on. Measure the length of the square column when installing the lock. According to the square column behind the door, it cannot exceed the edge of the door. Allowable cutting error less than 5 millimeters. Install the front lock. Align the lock cylinder hole. The power cord goes through the door. Connect the power cords of the front and rear locks. Tidy up the excess power cords. Step in the crack of the door. Install rear lock. Align square column. Screw on the rear lock fixing screw. Adjust the front and rear locks. Tighten the screws again. Install the battery cover. Upper battery cover. Tightening screw. Press and hold the one-button switch button for 5 seconds at the same time. Wait 6 seconds to complete the initialization. Installed. 3D facial recognition. Fingerprint unlocking. Password unlocking. Card unlock. Key unlock.